Hello kids! Learn about cooking methods. Cooking methods. Cooking methods are techniques using heat to transform food, changing its texture and flavor. Cooking methods are classified into two: moist heat and dry heat. In moist heat, boiling, steaming, pressure cooking comes, and in dry heat, roasting, baking, frying. Other methods are microwave cooking and solar cooking. Boiling. It is a method of cooking food by immersing in boiling water so that the food becomes soft. Examples are rice, egg, noodles. Steaming. It is a method of cooking food using steam generated from boiling water in a pan. Some of the examples are idli, idiyappam, dumplings. Pressure cooking. It is a method of cooking food in a pressure cooker. Some of the examples are dal, rice. Roasting. It is a method of cooking food by heating in a frying pan. Examples are groundnut chicken. Frying. It is a method of cooking food in hot oil. Example chips, puri. Thank you so much, kids. Today you learned about some cooking methods, right? See you in next video.